Hello and welcome to our exhibition Beyond Fashion MS Holding Commitment to a Greener Planet. Today we take to you on a journey into the world of sustainability garment manufacturing. MS Holdings is a global apparel and textile manufacturer in Sri Lanka. We care about more than just making clothes. We care about the earth, our people, and the future. Most traditional factories are built for fast production. In this exhibition, we showcase the difference between traditional garment manufacturing and our sustainable practices. Our theme is Sustainability and Green Operations, where we focus on reducing wastage, saving energy, using eco-friendly materials, and taking care of people behind the product. So we invite you to explore how sustainability is reshaping the future of fashions.
Raw materials are the basic inputs used to make clothing. The choice of raw materials affect the quality, cost and sustainability of apparel. So we can discuss MS Holdings and a typical apparel company's use of raw materials.
A normal apparel company uses raw materials like fabric just to make clothes cheaply and quickly. They mostly care about cost, not the impact. But MS Holdings is different. MS carefully chooses better materials like recycled fabrics and organic cotton to produce the environment. They also work with suppliers to create smart materials that are light, strong and comfortable. MS tries to use every piece of fabric without wasting. So while most companies just use materials to make clothes, MS uses them to make smart, eco-friendly, high-quality products.
Now I want to talk about energy efficiency in MAS Holdings and typical garment factory. Energy efficiency means use less energy to do same work. It helps to save electricity, minimize cost and protect the environment. In our case, we have two garment factories. MS Holding following sustainable practices and the other one is not sustainable. The sustainable factory uses solar panels to make electricity from sunlight. This clean energy reduces the need to use electricity from the national grid, which often comes from fossil fuels like coal and gas. Because of this, the sustainable factory saves money in the long run and also reduces pollution. But the typical garment factory depends only on electricity from the grid. This electricity mostly comes from burning fossil fuels. It is more expensive and harmful to the environment. So we can see that using clean energy and saving electricity is good for both the business and the planet.
Waste reduction in apparel is about minimizing waste and using resources efficiently. Let's discuss about waste reduction in MS Holdings and typical apparel company.
MAS Holdings set a benchmark in waste minimization far beyond the practices of a typical garment factory, while most factories still send waste to landfills and rely on linear production. MAS has achieved 100% landfill-free status and invest in circular solutions like recycling PET bottles, creating eco-bricks, and capturing ocean plastic. Their partnerships, innovations, and strict global standards prove that sustainability is not just a goal but a core business value. MAS is truly leading the way toward a cleaner, more responsible industry.
Social responsibility in garment factory means operating ethical and sustainably by protecting workers, reducing environmental impact and supporting communities. It is essential for meeting consumer expectation, legal standards and buyer demand, helping factors build trust and remaining competitive. A garment factory shows good social responsibility by paying fair wages, keeping workers safe, avoiding child labor, protecting the environment and respecting workers' rights. This helps both peoples and the business. And bad social responsibility include underpaying workers, using child labor, causing pollution and breaking safety rules, which can harm people and the factory's image.
MAS Holding prioritize clean energy, effective waste management, eco-friendly raw materials, and fair labor practices. In contrast, non-sustainable factories rely on fossil fuels, produce more waste, use harmful materials, and often neglect worker welfare. Choosing sustainability benefits not just the planet, but also people and long-term progress. Thank you for joining with us.